Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are good and taking your classes. So as in the previous video, we have completed our reading parts of this lesson 2 types of houses, and I hope that was clear to all of you. If you have any kind of query regarding previous works, just ask me directly, okay, without any hesitation. I will clear all your doubts, okay? Now today we are just moving forward to the explanation part of lesson 2 types of houses. Okay, firstly I'm going to explain you by the help of reading. After that I will explain you with the help of the diagrams also. Okay, so we are just moving forward to the explanation part 1 of lesson 2 types of houses. Page number 12, houses. We all live in a houses. As we all know that we all live in a houses with our family. A house protects us from rain, storm, insects and animal, heat, cold and robbers. We live in a house because we have to protect ourselves from rain, storm, insects and animals, heat, cold and robbers. Okay, so that's why we live in a houses, to protect ourselves. Houses can be pakka or kacha. There are two types of houses. Houses can be pakka or kacha. Okay, so first one is your pakka house. Pakka houses are made of bricks, steel, iron and cement. Okay, pakka houses are those houses that we live in a like we all live in a house that is covered with use of bricks, iron, steel. Okay, that like our school building, our own house. Okay, because in villages they use kacha houses mostly because they don't have afforded money, so that's why they use kacha houses. Okay, so a strong house that does not get damaged easily. Pakka houses are those houses that cannot be damaged easily. Like if winds blow, kacha house will be damaged, but pakka house cannot be damaged because of brick, steel and iron. Built mainly in towns and cities. Mostly these pakka houses are found in towns and cities. Okay, known as bungalow or flats. They also known as bungalows and flats. Bungalows are the houses that are big house with many rooms. Okay, and gardens too. And flats are those houses like apartments. They have one floor for each and every family. Okay, now kacha houses. Kacha houses are made up of straw and mud. You all know that it's like hut. I hope that you all have seen hut in the village. It's made up of straw that upper portion of like it's a golden color grass. Okay, for the upper portion of the hut, and mud. Okay, mud is soil. Okay, not so strong and may get damaged due to storm or heavy rainfall. If there is heavy rainfall or wind blows, it all destroyed. Okay, because mud and straw are like if heavy rainfall will damage all the mud, it will flow with the water, so it will destroyed easily. Built mainly in villages. They are found in villages, mostly in villages, because village people used to stay in kacha houses known as huts. As I say, these are also called as huts. So this is the difference between both the houses, pakka houses and the kacha houses. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now, types of houses. Houses can be of different types depending on. Houses are of many types. They are depends upon the some situations. Material available, what materials we have, what materials we afford, climate of the place, the place weather or climate, it depends also on that. Kind of area or landform, such as high hills, plain land, sandy desert, or land near a sea or river. Kind of area or landforms. Landforms are the form types of lands. It's kind of high hills, plain lands, desert, or plateaus, or any other types. It's also depends on this also. Space and money available, what money you have and what space you have, it also depends on that also. Okay, so this is the these things we depend upon them. For houses can be of different types depend upon these situations or depend upon these things. I hope this is clear to all of you. If you have any kind of query regarding this explanation, you just ask me directly on my WhatsApp or on group. So now next is your bungalow. You all seen that this is bungalow. Bungalow is a very big house, as you can see. It has many rooms. It has many of rooms. Most bungalows have garden in front of the house. Mostly, as you can see in the movies or in the pictures, that big houses have big lawns or gardens. Okay, so this is a bungalow. Now, apartments. What are apartments? This is not enough space. There is not enough space in towns and cities. As you all know that our country is getting populated. So people used to stay in apartment. Why? Because there is no enough space to settle own house. So they used to stay in apartments. Like they make big apartments and first floor, second floor, third floor, many of the floors were there, and each floor have other families. So houses are often built one on top of other. One on top means first floor, second floor, third floor, ground floor, 13th floor, many of the floors were there. Such houses are known as flats or apartments. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now your homework, your SST homework is you have to do exercise A, circle the correct option in your SST book only, page number 15. Okay, you have to do this exercise. This is your homework. Okay, thank you.